The grooved rings seal around the pump's pistons. The rings prevent high-pressure water from leaking around the pistons and out of the pump. Over time, the rings will wear. This can cause low pressure and water to leak from the pump. Replacing the grooved rings is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by separating the pump from the engine. With the screws removed, now I can remove the pump. Now separate the two halves of the pump body from the oil reservoir. This assembly is spring-loaded, so I'll go ahead and remove two of the screws first, and then slowly remove the other two. I'll use a screwdriver to separate the two halves of the pump. Now I can remove the old grooved rings. To install the new grooved rings, I'll first need to pack the back with silicone grease. With the grooved rings packed with grease, now they're ready to be installed back into the pump. The rings have a slight flare at the base. I'll use a small screwdriver to carefully tuck the flare into the pump housing. Now I'll reassemble the two halves of the pump. And I'll reassemble the pump to the oil reservoir. If you decide you want to replace the oil in the oil reservoir, or if it's low, the correct oil is 15W40 non-detergent. You should fill the reservoir until the oil comes up to about 1/8 of an inch above the wobble plate. I'll place two of the bolts through the pump body and then compress the piston springs and get the bolts started. I'll go ahead and tighten up the first two bolts a little at a time. And then I can install the other two bolts. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the pump. I'll place the key in the motor keyway and then align the pump's keyway with the one on the motor shaft. I'll slide the pump onto the shaft and secure it with the screws. And now you know how to replace the grooved rings in your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.